Ever wondered why you can remember the lyrics to a song from 20 years ago, but not what you had for breakfast last Tuesday? Welcome to the intriguing world of psychology and everyday life. Start with a deep dive into the concept of memory. The brain, as complex as it is, has a unique way of storing and retrieving information. Consider the case of Jill Price, a woman who remembers every detail of her life since she was 14. This phenomenon, known as hyperthymesia, is incredibly rare, but it provides an intriguing look into the power and peculiarities of human memory. Then look at the other end of the spectrum. Forgetting. It's not a flaw, it's a feature. Robert Bjork, a renowned psychologist, argues that forgetting is an adaptive process that helps us filter out irrelevant information. Consider the case of a person who forgets where they parked their car at the supermarket. Annoying? Yes. But this is the brain's way of making room for more important information. Switch gears to the concept of decision-making. Every day we make countless decisions, from what to eat, what to wear, to more complex ones like who to marry or what career path to pursue. An interesting case in point is the paradox of choice, as presented by psychologist Barry Schwartz. He posits that having too many options can lead to stress and dissatisfaction. Consider the case of choosing a jar of jam in a supermarket aisle filled with 50 different types. More often than not, this abundance of choice leads to decision paralysis. Now consider the concept of persuasion. Psychology plays a huge role in how easily we can be swayed. A famous case study is the Stanford prison experiment conducted by psychologist Philip Zimbardo. The study showed how people can conform to roles and expectations even when they go against their morals. It's a stark demonstration of the power of social pressure and context in shaping behavior. Lastly, let's touch on the concept of happiness. The pursuit of happiness is a universal human endeavor, but what really makes us happy? Psychologist Martin Seligman, the founder of positive psychology, suggests that happiness derives from a combination of pleasure, engagement, and a sense of meaning in life. To summarize, psychology permeates every facet of our everyday lives. From the way our memory works, to how we make decisions, how we can be persuaded, and even what makes us happy. Understanding these concepts not only gives us insight into human behavior, but can also help us navigate our own lives more effectively. In the vast expanse of the human mind, there are still many uncharted territories waiting to be explored. So the next time you forget where you parked your car or feel overwhelmed by a menu with too many options, remember, it's all just a part of the fascinating psychology of everyday life.